how to use Bluetooth on Blackmagic camera application. And okay guys, sir, on your mobile phone, go to Blackmagic Cam application. In Blackmagic Cam homepage, go to settings on the lower right side on your screen, tap settings. In settings, scroll down and go to accessories section. Here in accessories section, you can see here the use Bluetooth. And the use Bluetooth is turn off or disable. So okay, if you want to use the Bluetooth on your Blackmagic camera application, okay, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side and the pop-up are show. Okay, Blackmagic Cam, would you like to use Bluetooth for new connection? So you can allow new connection in settings. Okay, you'll have to do is tap settings and select the connection on this option. So okay, you can set into my device or other devices. And for my example, I connect on this DJI Mic Mini. So tap this and okay, waiting for connection. And okay guys, we have successfully connected to DJI Mic Mini Bluetooth. So okay guys, go back to your Blackmagic Cam and now you can use the Bluetooth to your Blackmagic Cam application. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully used Bluetooth on Blackmagic Cam application. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.